Hi, I'm Joe Keon, and I'm the founder of Ferrari Owners Charitable Foundation, and we administer the Fog Rally. It's a weekend of Ferrari owners coming together to take a trip in the cars and to raise money for disadvantaged youth in the San Francisco Bay Area. And we've been able to do that in the last couple of years with Make-A-Wish, raising funds directly to cover the costs of wishes that they grant. The cars are exciting and they're what bring people together, and a lot of people express interest in them. And we decided to harness that interest.
The best part about the rally is the looks and the smiles on people's faces when you drive by a crowded area. It's a real thrill.
We do this charity event once a year, and it gets better and better every year.
Enjoying these gorgeous roads here in Tahoe City, so I can't wait for next year.
My first Fog Rally, 2016, it was awesome.
I really appreciate the sponsors, and one of the ways I appreciate them is I keep all of the stickers on my car all year long, recognizing the people who are donating money to such good causes.
We're gathered here tonight for one reason, and that's to make a difference in the lives of San Francisco Bay Area children, and because we know that a wish granted can have a powerfully transformative effect on their lives.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome